Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Languages with Gaur. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to improve your writing score from 6.5 to 7 or 7 plus bands. Here I would discuss about one of the most important aspect of your writing. As you all know that your writing task answer is assessed based on 4 criteria, out of which one most important is grammatical range. So what is it all about, and let's fully understand about it, why it is so important and how can it improve our band score. So when we use variety of sentence structures in a response, like we are not just using simple sentences, we are also using compound sentence structure. We are writing a response in complex sentences. We are using question statement. We are using passive sentences. So mixture of sentence structures is called grammatical range. Examiner is not supposed to judge your answer based on your opinions. It doesn't matter whether you oppose or support an idea, but he is checking your grammatical range also. Earlier, I also used to write my statements in simple sentences, but then I learned that it is not going to fetch me good band scores. Then I started using complex sentence structures and compound sentences, passive as well, and it really helped me a lot to improve my writing. So let's start with an example. Here there are two sentences. People love watching movies. This is the simple sentence. And one sentence is, people watch movies for entertainment. So in these two sentences there are subject, verb and object. This is called simple sentence structure, and most of the students who are appearing for IELTS exam do this mistake. They are just filling their whole answer with simple sentences. Let's move to the compound sentences. Now what are compound sentences? When two sentences are joined with with the use of conjunction, like I have joined these two sentences, people love watching movies and they watch movies for entertainment. It will make our sentence lengthier, as well as it will show our grammatical range, that we also know the use of compound sentences. It will impress examiner more. So here is the example of some basic conjunctions to be used in compound sentences: for, yet, but, or, so, no. Let's move to the third category, that is complex sentences. And if you start using complex sentences in your writing task answer, it is the sure way to get 7 plus bands or 7 bands in your IELTS writing. If you are stuck at 6.5 and your target is to achieve 7 bands, you must use complex sentence structures in your writing. So what does it mean? It coordinates two sentences or ideas in one sentence using conjunctions. Now I have joined both the sentences, simple sentences, like people love to watch movies because they get entertainment. Now because is the conjunction which joined both of the simple sentences. So my suggestion is to make use of complex sentences as much as you can in your writing, instead of writing simple sentences all the time. Therefore, for making complex sentences, you need to learn about the use of different conjunction words like rather than, although, as, even if, even though, until, whenever, where, or you can use while, which is very common conjunction, whether, since. So these are just common ones. So next is question sentence. I must suggest that you should make a question statement in your writing, at least one question statement in your writing task to answer. So with the use of same example, I am going to show you. Here is the question statement. Do people consider watching movies a source of entertainment? Yes, indeed, they consider. So one sentence in the form of question statement must be there in your writing task to answer. Next comes passive sentences. You must be aware about the use of active and passive sentence formation. So it is very important to use at least one or two passive sentence formations in your writing task too, instead of just writing your answer statements in active form only. So here example sentences I have written like that: movies are being watched by the people for entertainment. It will let the examiner know that you know the different formations of sentence structures, like you know the active and passive use of sentences. So for all this you need to learn about the grammar rules to make these active passive sentence formations. Moving to the last thing. So overall I want to say that when writing your answer for writing task to your writing essay for the question statement, you need to use the combination of different sentence structures. You need to use simple, compound, complex, passive plus questions sentence formations in your writing task to achieve very good band score, achieve 7 or 7 plus band score. Otherwise you will be always stuck at 6.5. So if you are not aware about different structures, so from now today onwards start your grammar practice for writing complex sentences, to make use of conjunctions, to write passive sentences, how to write compound sentences. I guarantee that it will surely give you the 7 or 7 plus bands in your writing, and it will also satisfy the examiner for the use of your grammatical range. So friends, I request you to show your efficiency of making complex sentences in the comment section below, and I would definitely give my feedback on that. Subscribe to the channel for more useful video regarding IELTS exam. Thank you so much for watching my video.